Mad River Synergy 12 angler fishing kayak. We'll start at the front. This is a 12-foot rig, has carry handles, fore and aft anchor pad eyes. You can use 2 anchors or you can use 1. We have a large bungee net storage compartment in the front to carry gear. Adjustable footrest. Lock in place. We have 2 side pouches on the cockpit to carry lures, bait, anything at all. A dry storage hatch in the front of the seat. Very comfortable padded seat. Recline adjustable. Have double paddle keepers on each side. There's one. Quick release. 2 flush mounted rod holders. And a large, very large storage compartment in the back. This much area could accommodate sleeping bags, tents, provisions for several days. Rear carry handle. Drain plug. I have a 1.5 pound anchor rigged on the rear here. Very nice fishing platform. This rig has caught many fish. Small ponds, lakes, rivers, creeks. The boat runs about 4 to 6 inch draft, so you can get back up in the shallows very easily. It's very maneuverable. It guides and tracks very well. Weighs about 60 pounds. In addition to the fore and aft carry handles, there are heavy-duty handles, one on either side, to make portage somewhat easier. Also, those are very handy if you want to throw it on top of your vehicle as opposed to trailering or whatever other method you might choose to transport. Great rig.